So today I'm really excited because we're going into the paint booth today, and I know that there's a lot of prep we have to do because we have a lot of pieces to do, and we're not able to do the whole car, but we're doing as many pieces as we can. And that's one of the things I will say is, you know, with the size of paint booth we have and the amount of parts that are on this car, it's crazy how much space it takes up. You know, you need room to work around and go around everything. So we're doing just a few parts, but stuff is happening. Very happy about it. All right, so we're in the booth and we got the whole floor wiped down with water so no dust comes up. We have to seal up these buckets so no dust comes off of them onto the paint job. And it's kind of difficult. These fenders are super huge, so it's hard to get them up and off the table, but we found like this one box, which is perfect. This is gonna be a little bit tighter, and then of course you have to worry about the air pressure that's gonna be, you know, bouncing this stuff around. So you wanna make sure nothing falls off. But it's really freaking hot here. We don't have the fans on yet. Once the wind starts blowing, it'll be good. And we also, I think there's water on here, so it's like a swamp cooler once it's on, so it will get cooler in here. But we're just getting ready to do that, and then I think we're going to be spraying primer, and about half the car might be done today. So pretty crazy, but here we go.
You know, if there's a little bit of texture, I'll knock it down. It ain't gonna hurt to spray one more coat of sealer on it. But,
Right.
just, you know, careful always, because it's still,
Yeah,
it's just.
I'm not gonna drag the paper towel through it.
You've been this road with me before, yeah,
Yeah.
it's just sprayed. So, you know what we're doing now. And how to play with it.
That line didn't change.
What line did you think?
Right, that, and that.
Yeah, I think that's just,
And then there's something, I don't know if this is from your hand.
yeah, that's what it's called. Get that over with now. And that's just kind of it. That's over. All right.
Well, we got a lot of stuff done, but we ran into a few little problems and they want to just get those last little nuances dialed in. So I'm sure we'll get that finished and we'll be back to actually putting some color on these panels. So stay tuned. Until next time, have a great day.